Are you searching for a reliable provider of top-quality HVAC equipment, parts, and supplies in your area? Your search ends here. We're the leading HVAC partner, dedicated to delivering the solutions you need, when you need them. Whether you're an HVAC professional or a DIY homeowner, we've got you covered with an extensive inventory. From air conditioners and furnaces to thermostats and filters, we have everything under one roof. Explore our vast selection of HVAC products, carefully crafted for durability and efficiency. Our inventory includes motors, heaters, compressors, chemicals, air handlers, accessories, and much more. Each product is built to deliver reliable performance, keeping your systems running smoothly. Looking for parts to repair or upgrade your existing system? We carry all major brands and models, ensuring you find the right fit, no matter what you need. We take pride in offering the latest, cutting-edge innovations. Every product in our inventory is selected with a focus on quality and performance. Our experienced and friendly staff are always here to help. With years of expertise in the industry, we ensure you get the right part and the best advice, backed by our commitment to exceptional customer service. No matter the job, large or small, we're ready to assist you. To know more details, visit our website.